Greetings everyone, my name is Kusalwa and today we're going to be looking at quadratic equations. So our question is coming from Mathematics 2017 paper 2 question 4a, and our question reads: solve the equation 2x squared is equal to 6x plus 3, giving your answer correct to 2 decimal places. So here what we're supposed to do is to write down our equation that has been given in the question, which is 2x squared is equal to 6x plus 3. So looking at this equation, it's not arranged properly, so we're supposed to arrange it. So when arranging it, our formula is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So ax squared is our a, bx is our b, and c is our c. So that way now, since we've been given the formula here, so it's going to be easy for us to arrange our equation. So it's going to be 2x squared. So 6x is supposed to cross the equal sign, meaning the sign is going to change. So it's going to be negative 6x. 3 also has to cross the equal sign, so it's going to be negative 3 is equal to 0. So our equation has been written down here. So what we're supposed to do is to write down our formula. So our formula is x is equal to negative b plus and minus, then our square root. So our formula is b squared minus 4ac, over 2a. Moving on, so as we're going to substitute, remember here on the formula, I said ax squared is representing a, bx is representing b, and c is representing c. So in this case, our b, here our b is 6, then our a is 2x squared, then our c is negative 3. So we're going to substitute. Negative here, we shouldn't forget the sign. So our b is negative 6. So here, since we've got a negative, we're going to write down an open bracket and put negative 6 and close it, plus or minus, then this. So b squared, when we go to b, our b is negative 6. So we write down an open bracket, then put negative 6. We close in squared, because we're following the formula, minus 4. Our a here is 2, so we put down our 2, we close. Then our c is negative 3 over 2, then our a is 2. So we've substituted here, and what we're supposed to do is to multiply and get rid of the square root, and we're also supposed to divide. But first, before we get to that stage, what we're supposed to do is to work on these. So we write down our formula again, which is x. So here we've got a negative and a negative. So negative times negative is positive. So meaning here we're going to have positive 6 plus and minus. Then we go back here. So this is what we're going to do. Then negative 6 squared when we're supposed to solve this negative 6 squared, what they simply mean is that we're going to multiply negative 6 times negative 6 two times because of the square root, because of the 2 that's here. So negative 6 times negative 6 is negative 36. Sorry, it's 36 because negative times negative is positive, so it's 36. Minus, we're going to write down our 4 here. Then 2 times negative 3 is going to give us negative 6 over 4. Because here we've got 2 open brackets 2, meaning we're supposed to multiply 2 times 2, which is giving us 4, the 4 that we've written down over here. So this is what we'll do. Write down our 36. Then negative 4 times negative 6 is 24, positive 24. So we're going to write down our 24 over 4. Then we go back. What's 36 plus 24? It's 60. So write down our 60 over 4. And then we go back to the formula. What's the square root of 60?
7.4.
Sorry. Our square root is, so what we can do here in short, we can just write down 6 plus the square root of 60. What's the square root of 60 again?
7.74.
7.74 59 66 69 over our 4 that's here. Then on the other side again, we can say, since here on our formula we've got 6 plus or minus, meaning when we find the square root of our 60 here, we're supposed to add our 6 that has been given here with the square root of 60. And on the other side again, we're going to get our 6 minus, so 6 minus the square root of 60, which is 7.745966692 over 4. So here, what we're supposed to do here, never forget the or, like that. So what we're supposed to do here is to write down x is equal to, we're supposed to punch this on our calculator all together in order to get the correct answer. So when we punch, what is it giving us? Yeah, here, 6 plus 7.745966692 divided by 4. So it's 3.436491,673. Now remember, on our question, it says correct to 2 decimal places. So here, this is not in 2 decimal places, the answer we found here. So we're supposed to correct it to 2 decimal places. And our answer is going to be 3.4. Then here, 6 is greater than 5, so we're supposed to add 3 plus 1, which is coming from the 6, because it's greater than 5 and it's going to be 4. So we found. We're not yet done. And here, if we punch 6 minus 7.74596669 to divide by 4, what is it giving us? Negative 0.43. 64 91 673. And we shouldn't forget, our question says we're supposed to write our correct answer to 2 decimal places, and this is not into decimal places, so we're going to correct it, which is going to give us negative 0.44. So therefore x is equal to 3.44 or negative 0.44. And we found our final answer. Thank you for watching.